Hello everyone, today we want to go through some basic in Excel. We'll begin with our agenda for today. So today we want to look at how we can wrap a text, how we can create borders, how we can merge rows and columns, how we can expand rows and columns. Okay, so beginning with wrapping text. Wrapping text simply means fitting in every text in a particular cell. For instance, if I write my name, Hilary Chin, you see, if you look at this name, it goes across two different cells. It goes across this cell and this cell, which is not proper. That is not that proper. Okay, so if I want to wrap this text, I'll just click at the beginning of the text and I come up here and I click wrap the text. You see, it now places the text in a particular cell. You can do this for more than one or two data. Okay, let's say we have different names and you want them to be fixed in a particular cell. Okay, so that's all for wrapping your text. And then borders as well. Borders are very important. For instance, if you look at what I've just written here, I've written numbers, names, age, class, sex, and here you cannot really understand what this is all talking about. So creating borders is emphasizing and telling those who are looking at your cell or looking at your Excel sheet, telling them and making them to easily understand what it's all about. For instance, if I create borders, all I need to do is to just allow my mouse changes to this small white cross, and then I right click and I hold it down and I take it across, you see, making sure I go just around that particular range. Okay, and then I come up here and then I want to do all borders. You see, all borders. You can do right border, left border, top border, bottom border. You can do all borders, you can do no border. So we want to do all borders and I click. You see, it now emphasizes. Borders helps to emphasize on a sheet, emphasize where you want to use the sheet, which location you want to use on the sheet. So this is the location we've chosen to use per this tutorial. So you see, so here you have name, number, sorry, 1, 2, names, John, Mary, ages 22, 23, and then the class, maybe class 1, again, maybe class 2. Okay, and then sex, you have female, you have male. So borders helps to emphasize. Also, we'll just go straight away to merge our rows and columns. We saw in the previous video that this is our row, no, sorry, this is our column, this is our column, and this is our row. So we want to merge some columns, so we can click here and then we can click here and then we go through some columns. Okay, we can choose here. We have chosen 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So we want to merge. You see, this is our merge button. Always come to this home tab and then you click to this merge, and when you click there, you have merge. Merge simply means you are creating a space. Maybe you want to write a text. Okay, list of children. Okay, maybe you want to create a text and you want viewers to be able to see that text. I can still decide to increase the font size of this text, okay, to really make it visible. And I can also decide to color the area of this I can also decide to color the area of this merge range. I've just merged a range of area, so I can decide to color it maybe with green. Yeah, maybe with green, you see. So that's it, list of children. So this is all about merging. And then also we talk about expanding rows and columns. It's so easy. Remember, we talked about our mouse changing. When it changes to this, you see this black cross. When it changes to this, and then it means we should expand our column. Remember, this is our column, these are our columns. Okay, so here we want to expand. You see, I can expand. Okay, I can expand. Also, I can go to our rows here and also expand depending on what you want to do with your data at a particular moment. Here I can decide to say, okay, I want to write my name again, Hilary Musemochinga. Okay, you see, again, it gives me a really gives me a different kind of view, which is not really comfortable. Hilary Musemochin is supposed to be in one cell. Now we are seeing it in more than one cell. So I can decide to expand this. okay, to have it in one cell. So that's it for today. If you have every other comment, please just comment down below, and remember to subscribe, and also tell us what you want to learn more, so that we can cover those topics. Okay, thank you so much.